In this video, you'll learn about working within a module and what comes standard and what you'll need to add. So the first thing inside a module is going to be the unit overview. Now note the terminology may have changed depending on if you have changed the terminology, but nonetheless, you'll still have an overview document. When I click in here, it will typically be blank, and what can go in here is either learning objectives, a to-do list. It can also just simply let the students know what is due, so anything of that nature. Then the next thing that you have is the learning materials folder, and this is where you will place your PDFs, your lecture notes, any materials that the students need to interact with to be successful within that module. Then underneath the learning materials folder, you'll notice that there's this blank space where my mouse is. That is where you'll add assignments, discussions, tests, and quizzes. And that is blank on purpose so that you will add what you need. And that's what's inside a standard Mercy template module. Thanks for watching.